secure it 2 times. So now it's 2 times. Now I'm going to do the make it 5 times. See, like that. And like that. So 5 times for upstairs, like that.
5.
And now we're gonna make 5 chains, like sweep the gap 5 times, 5 chains for a gap, and 5 chains for another crochet, and make a square and do it 5, 5, 5. Like that. So that's how you make it. So now guys, I'm gonna show you again. Now we're gonna do 5 chains.
We crochet. No change.
Chains, crochet. and like that we secure it. And now I'm gonna make like 5 crochets, so fill up the blanks like that. So it's like checkboard style. It is the easiest style you can make for beginners, like that, if you want to make something cool. Five times. Count, okay? If you don't count, if you miscount it, and it's all over. So yeah, that's all guys, how you make a crochet the checkerboard style. So it's the easiest style you can make. So it will turn like this if you have patiently do it. So that's all guys, bye.